Hello YouTubers, this is going to be what I call a two-way fire alarm test. This is going to be different from my other videos. This test will consist of me demonstrating the two ways that my pull stations can be set off. The first way, I'll pull the lever down on each of them, and then I'll also demonstrate fire drill mode on each of them too. So, but first of all, before I start the test, I'm going to set my camera down on something so it doesn't fall down. Okay then, here is our first test. And by the way, the horn you will hear is march time horn on each of them. Here's the test on the SIGA right here. As you can see right here, this lever is pulled out, and it means when this lever is pulled out, this means that it's activated. It's activated. And now to reset it, just push this back down to the normal position on the SIGA. There we go. Alright, now here's the second way this can be set off. Okay, to do fire drill mode, you just stick the key in the pull station, open it up like this, and flip this switch to the activated position on the SIGA right here. Okay, to turn it off again, you just flip it back down to the normal position. There we go. Alright, the second way now will be my Fire Lite BG-12, but first I have to disconnect the wires on my SIGA and then put them on my Fire Lite BG-12. Ugh, darn it, my wire just came out of the BG-12. Okay, hold on here. Just a second. I may have to hold this up. I may have to hold this up so the wires don't fall out. Okay, here's our first demonstration of it, like this. Okay, I just resetted this now. Now I'll show you. Now what I'll do is I'll show you fire drill mode on this one. You just this switch you did. Oh crap! Oh crap! Again, my wires are coming out. Hold on a minute. This may take a little while. Okay. Alright. To do fire drill mode, you just push this black switch down right here to the activated position. And again, my wire just came out, so sorry this is taking a little long, but this should be better. Ugh, man. Again, my wire just came out. Bear with me. Okay, bear with me here. I gotta put this in here, and this shouldn't take long. Okay, put this down here. Alright, that is fire drill mode. That is fire drill mode. Alright, thank you for watching my video, YouTubers. Don't forget to rate and comment, please. Sorry about the technical difficulties, but my wires kept on coming out, so that's why I had to hold my pull station up. I had to put my wires back in there. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.